Introducing the Disc LED family of flush mounts and retrofit lighting solutions by WAC Lighting. This wet location listed compact LED flush mount will fit nicely within your kitchen, closet, corridor, garage, living room, or bedroom, even in outdoor locations. The low profile disc is available in a warm and homely 3000K or a cooler 4000K color temperature to match your existing lighting elements. Finishes include white, brushed nickel, and bronze, which are sure to blend in well with your wall or ceiling. 4-inch and 6-inch options are available so that you have the perfect size disc for your application. We designed the disc to maximize versatility, ease of installation, and maintenance. It mounts easily onto a junction box or retrofits into an existing 4, 5, or 6-inch recessed can with an optional normal base socket for plug-and-play installation. Cleaning is simple with a twist lock acrylic diffuser that can be removed and attached within seconds. The disc features our latest in AC LED technology. It creates a fully dimmable, bright, and evenly diffused glow without calling attention to itself. Multiple LED arrays allow for uniform illumination, while the opaque acrylic diffuser ensures you'll never see visible hotspots or LED diodes. The disc is ENERGY STAR rated with 85% or more efficiency over a standard incandescent fixture. This means huge savings on your electricity bill. The smaller 4-inch disc is comparable to a 60-watt incandescent bulb, while the 6-inch version is comparable to a 75-watt bulb. At 36,000 hours of rated life, the disc will outperform 20 years or more of standard use with worry-free service and no maintenance or relamping over time. Low cost, big energy savings, and long life, all backed by our 5-year manufacturer's warranty, makes the disc a perfect choice for all walls and ceilings in and around your home or business.